So here we have the new tunnel extensions for the Solar 420. One of our first customers, Fred Seiler here, put it on. Looks pretty good the way it's attached. Just took it for a quick test run here. Now Fred, can you tell us any of the benefits that you think you might have seen running this and some of the issues that you run into with the Solar?
Well, one of the big things about the 420 models, for some reason, they porpoise. The original generation, the first generation of Solar, the tram is built further in. There's an after plane with the pontoons that gets rid of porpoising. These newer models, I've had 5 of them, and every one porpoised. So that's part of an issue of trying to get something longer. So that after plane that we built kind of gets rid of that a little bit, not quite all of it, but what it allows you to do, gets you to be able to go slower on step or have a longer planing line, like you can keep on step, which is really part of the game. I mean, at the same time, and it's still a process, right, and learning on how to get these things developed. It could be that maybe even a bit more of a bend in it would get rid of more porpoising, but right now it doesn't porpoise at all. I'm in pin 1 and I think it's definitely benefited the boat, right? So.
Can you give us a quick idea on what hardware you used and how you installed it?
Yeah, so I used fender washers, and I bought these special bolts with big flanges, so when you put it through underneath, it doesn't need the pressure washer or the fender washer, so it has a bit more area, so it isn't just working on the small rubber piece, it's actually supported by a whole area, so when I used 5 of them, and then actually fender washers on the top and the HMW on top to make sure then it's all supported. They're nylocks. Make sure you use nylocks if you know that's the best, because then you don't have to worry about them backing off compared to a lock washer and a normal nut, because you can't really see in there back under there. And then the other part is you can make it really good design. You can trim it. I think it'd get rid of some of my splash too that was on the motor, because now the jet is really kind of contained by that splash shield that we made, or this trim shield. It works really good. So.
So there you go, first install of the tunnel extension. Seems to run pretty good, solves a few problems with the porpoising of some of these Solar 420s, reduces some of the splash as well that people are getting, because you have a nice kind of contained splash guard going around your shoe, and yeah, allows you to run a little bit slower without porpoising, keep you floating and on step a little bit longer. So there you go.